add a contact to Go High Level campaign on every ThriveCart sale. So what will happen whenever a new customer will make a payment here, the same person will be created as a contact in Go High Level automatically. Want to learn how you can also automate this process so that you do not have to manually export the data and import it here again and again? Come with me and I will show you everything step by step. So this is my ThriveCart dashboard and this is Go High Level dashboard, and as soon as someone will purchase a product, I'll show you how you can add the very same customer as a contact in Go High Level. But to automate this process, firstly I'll have to build an integration in this ThriveCart and Go High Level, which I will do with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing integration and automation software. I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so I am already logged in here. You can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, click on this blue button that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow to your automation. Okay, so I have directly pasted the name as add contact to Go High Level campaign on every ThriveCart sale. Now I'll select the folder in which I want to create my automation workflow. So I have selected this main workflows folder. Now clicking on create, and after that you will find 2 boxes. So these boxes are called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So whenever something happen in your first application, then automatically do this in your next application. Okay, so in this way you need to always choose your applications in this trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation. Okay, so according to our use case, I want that whenever a new sale is made in this ThriveCart application, then automatically add the very same customer in this Go High Level application. Okay, so here in order to connect to Go High Level with the Pabbly Connect, I will select this lead connector. Okay, yes, you will also have to select the same, that is lead connector version 2, in order to connect your Go High Level software with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so I have selected the same, and now the idea here is I'm going to connect these 2 applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect. So let us first connect the ThriveCart with the Pabbly Connect. Now I'll select the trigger event, that is product is purchased. Okay, so yes, I want to perform the same, that whenever the product is purchased, this automation should trigger. So clicking on this connect button, clicking on add a new connection, and for the connection it is asking for the token. Go back to your ThriveCart account, click on this profile picture, then click on the settings option, scroll down and you will find the API and webhooks. Click on this API keys, and here from here you can generate a new key, but because in my account there was a limit of 5 keys only. Okay, so how about instead of creating a new key, I reuse the existing one. In your case you can generate a new key by providing the name. Alright, so clicking on this view full key button, let me copy the same, coming back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, let me paste the same here, clicking on save, and in this way my ThriveCart account will be immediately connected with the Pabbly Connect. Now because we are connected, firstly it is asking to select the product. Okay, so I want that whenever this particular product is purchased, the person should be added to my Go High Level campaign. So I have selected the same, and yes, I am actually working into the test mode only, so I'll go with the same. Now clicking on this button save and send test request, and you will notice that it will start waiting for the response. Okay, so I'm going to make a product purchase in ThriveCart. Okay, so let us visit this product section firstly, and then I'm going to open the checkout page of any product. Okay, so here you can notice lot of products are there. Okay, so how about I click on this get URL button. Okay, so this is the button of view checkout, and give me a second, let me provide the details, and now I'll make a test payment and you will see the same details will be captured here as a response. Okay, so give me a second. So I have provided some dummy details, that is the first name as demo, the last name as user, the email address as demoUser12345@pabblytools.com, a random phone number and a random address. Now clicking on this continue button, and in order to make a test transaction, I'll use the same here. Let me paste the same. Let me also provide any random date or random CVV. Clicking on this complete order button, and as soon as this payment is successful here, this test payment is successful here, you will notice the same payment details will be received via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so waiting for the response. Okay, let us wait for this payment to be successful first. And here you can notice the payment is successful, coming back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect and waiting for the response to receive. So the response is received. Let me show you the details one by one. So here we have the account name, here we have the price of the product. Let me also show you other details. This is the product name, and where are the customer details. Alright, so this is the name of the customer, and here we have the email address and other details. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between ThriveCart and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. So now onwards, what will happen? Every time any customer will make a payment for this particular product, the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, okay, because this trigger will instantly capture new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. Okay, so in this way the first step of our automation is done. Now moving further, I will show you how you can add this customer as a contact in GoHighLevel. Okay, so I'll go with the same action event, that is create contact, clicking on connect, then clicking on add a new connection, clicking on this button, and then you will have to provide the access of your GoHighLevel account. But because I am already logged in into a different tab, so instead of asking me for the access, it will ask me for the permission. Alright, there is an error, so how about I close it and go with the existing connection. You just need to go with the new connection only and provide the access of your GoHighLevel account. Okay, clicking on save, and in this way your GoHighLevel account will be immediately connected with Pabbly Connect. Now you just need to provide the details which are actually required for creating our contact. Well, it is asking for a lot of details, okay, but I will provide only the basic information because I have collected only basic information only from my checkout page of ThriveCart. Okay, so let me provide the same. And the interesting thing here is I am not going to manually provide the above details and paste below again and again. I am going to map these details. Okay, mapping is very simple. Click on this field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Let me map the first name. In this way I am going to map the data in other fields also, but you must be thinking what is the importance of mapping. Okay, so whatever the details I will map here, these details will be replaced automatically when my automation will work in real time or in next time. Okay, I am repeating this thing once again that these details will be replaced automatically whatever I am mapping here from the drop down. Okay, and if I will provide any detail manually here, what will happen? That detail will remain same. Okay, so this is the difference in providing the values via mapping and via manually, and in this way our automation will take place. And I think we also have the city, so I have provided the same. How about I also provided the state as well? All right, and it is asking for the country and postal code, so yes, we do have the code also. So let me search for the same. Okay, so I think I have provided the details in all the required field, in all the important fields. Okay, so how about I click on this button save and send test request, and you will notice that a contact will be created here. Okay, so coming back to the dashboard, clicking on this button, waiting for the response to receive, fingers crossed. Alright, so the response is received. Going back to the dashboard, now let me refresh it and check for the very same contact, and the email address of that contact was demoUser12345@pabblytudes.com. Okay, waiting for that. And did you notice the same person has been created as a contact in GoHighLevel? So in this way, with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can automate this process, and you need to create this automation inside Pabbly Connect just once. After that, you can sit back and relax because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Okay, and just in case if you want to access this two-step workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my workflow into the description box. So simply click on this link and sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same two-step workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.